Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a 1-bowl donut jam cake. It's basically like a jelly donut, but in the shape of a cake. And I have a feeling it's going to be pretty darn delicious, but let's find out, because if I made this before, no, in typical fashion, I have not. So we'll all do this together. I was inspired by this song, and thank you for the request. Tell me, when will it be done? Delicious 1-bowl donut jam cake. Will it truly be super yum? Well, I don't know yet, but we're gonna find out. Let's do this. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second thing you wanna do is get out your bundt pan. If you don't have a bundt pan, you can pretty much use any pan. Cooled melted butter, brush it in your pan. Let's get it up on the sides and everywhere. Sugar, cinnamon, whisk together. Using about 1/3 of the mixture, coat the pan. Whole milk, melted butter, eggs, vanilla, whisk together, sugar, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, whisk together, flour, whisk until just combined. Add half of the batter into your pan. Spread out just a little bit so it sort of like goes into the edges of the pan, because we're gonna have to make a hollow here. Make a hollow with a spoon. So I'm just gonna kind of go around it like this. This is where we're gonna want that jam to go. Add your jam to that trough. Spoon the remainder of your cake on top. Smooth it out just a little bit. You just want to be careful not to move that jam that's underneath it. It'll settle in the oven, so I'm not too worried about it. Into the oven it goes for 40 to 50 minutes until the top is springy and it's a nice golden brown. Time is up. Let's check it out. All right, let's see if it is springy, which it definitely is. Toothpick test. Clean. Let's take it out. Let it stay in the pan for about 10 minutes and then we're going to turn it out. For the scary moment of truth, flip it over on the pan. Oh, maybe it came right out. Did it do it? Oh, yay! Now we're going to put the rest of that melted butter on top and then that cinnamon and sugar mixture. Just let that soak in. Add the rest of your cinnamon and sugar. Look at that, a jelly donut cake. Look at this donut jam cake. It's got a nice golden topping, especially with that cinnamon and sugar. It's got that nice yellow cake in the middle, and of course, that jam. So let's give it a try. Let's taste the cake by itself first. Tastes just like a cinnamon sugar cake donut, as it should. What else would you expect? Now let's try it from the jam side. Let's cut this open. Ooh, look at that. Ah. Get a piece just like that. All right, now with the jam. It tastes just like that cinnamon sugar cake donut mixed with a jelly donut. So it's not that cushioniness of a regular jelly donut because those are typically fried and have like a yeasty dough. But this is extra delicious. It's really great. It's, again, cake donut plus jelly donut equals this. And it is delicious. If I can make this one bowl jam donut cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more.